So guys, as we are testing this 2GC, that BMW 2 Series Grand Coupe, here you can see
Use the right 3 lanes to turn slightly right to stay on National Expressway 3.
certain features like you can see the drive lever in the same car
Continue for 5 kilometers.
there. Then just to switch it on sports mode, we just need to do one thing. We need to flick it on the left side. Once we flick it to the left side, then you see how the performance picked up for the same car. So the punch what we get in the 2GC, this is marvelous. We are also being given pedal shifters. In case I click on a pedal shifter here, so the car will shift it to manual, like I've just done it now. You can see the M1 was coming, M3 is coming there. So it is just like now we can shift the gear manually. So it will require our manual intervention in terms of transmission. However, this is an automatic transmission, but you can also have the feeling of manual. So just to get a pleasure of manual drive, you can shift to this mode. This car also has certain mode, you can see there is a 3 sport mode, comfort mode, and Eco Pro mode. Eco Pro mode is basically for just to shift it on uh, uh, economy drive. I just pressed on Eco mode. You can see the screen has become blue. Even here it is as well blue.
There's 5-minute congestion in 4 kilometers. You are still on the best route.
Just to give you a better performance over road. I mean, you will get a good mileage. So from all the aspect, this particular 2GC is having a marvelous experience of drive. And yes, I'll just show you the one more thing. This is the sunroof, which is again just to enjoy a pleasing weather. You can try sunroof and can have a good driving experience. However, you can see the steering has some certain key controls, like you can take calls, you can give voice command to this car. I'll just give you one example of voice command. Hey BMW, show me
Hello.
the sports display.
Sport displays.
You see this, how it just quickly responded and shown us the sports display. This is a marvelous experience of BMW 2 Grand Coupe. So very handy to drive, very compatible. And the performance, if you talk about, it has 190 bhp with the power output. It generates 280 nm torque, which is again a marvelous power output, which gives you the initial throttle, initial thrust, and gives you the wonderful experience while driving this car. So it's enough for today. Rest I already explained you about the certain features which you can see inside this car. So thanks for watching HM Drive. Stay connected.